How to use Kodi on Apple TV. On your Mac, download the latest Kodi.deb file for tvOS from the official Kodi website. Download and open Xcode from the Mac App Store. In Xcode, create a new project by selecting tvOS and choose Single View Application. Name your project and add a unique bundle identifier, then click Next. If an error about provisioning profile appears, click Fix Issue and sign in with your Apple ID. Download and open the iOS App Signer app, then select the Kodi.deb file as the input. Set the app display name to Kodi and start the signing process to create an IPA file. Connect your Apple TV HD to your Mac with a USB-C cable, or ensure your Apple TV 4K and Mac are on the same Wi-Fi network for a wireless connection. In Xcode, go to Window, Devices, and Simulators, select your Apple TV and click the plus to add the signed Kodi IPA. Once installed, disconnect your Apple TV, turn it on, and you should see Kodi in your apps list ready to use. Subscribe.